for them.
5:05, let's check in with meteorologist Sam Schreier and what is always a very popular skiing holiday, President's Day. Sam, so what can folks expect?
When I went to rent from the ski shop, they said, thank God you're tall because we are out of anything that's like anybody under 6 feet for skis. It's one of the busiest ski weekends of the entire year. And what's cool is we're getting some snow through the mountains, which is going to help a few of these resorts out here. Telluride already reporting about an inch. But the problem is, too, if it's snowing, it's going to be tough to get out west into the resorts. Also, some bits of the mountains and I-70 had a little freezing drizzle overnight. So be extra careful if you're going to drive, and just leave way early. If you have to wait for the resort to open, anything like that, you take extra time getting out west today because it's going to be slick and windy. 24 degrees currently in Colorado Springs, 22 in Pueblo. Coldest air is coming in from the plains, and as that continues to slam into the interstate, it will be tough for us to warm up. Now, Pueblo is leading the way on the interstate here for the winds. 21 miles per hour out of the east in Pueblo. Easterly winds in Colorado Springs, not as bad, but it'll be kind of off and on gusty through the Springs. You'll notice Walsenburg and Trinidad are on the breezier side, but not to Pueblo's area yet. But we should pick up that wind as the day goes on here. Now, Springs to Pueblo, we know it's going to be windy, fairly normal. Some fog settling into Denver, and even though that would normally slow down the commutes a bit, since we have less people on the road because it's the holiday, you probably will be having a fairly normal commute if you are going into work like we are today. 6:45 for the sunrise time. 5:41, can't say the times here for sunset. And your highs later on today, going 40 in the Springs, 45 Pueblo, warmer winds down from Walsenburg, Trinidad, 38 Woodland Park, and then out west into the mountains. Remember, we are going to have some rain, snow showers trying to clip on through. I'm going to explain where those are going to come, a little bit more detailed coming up.